heard you guys' comments. I have heard you guys' questions concerning the infamous flat iron, and we are going to get into it today. Hey you guys, my name is Nini. I am the creator behind the name Queendom Mindset, and today I'm going to talk to you about this amazing flat iron, one of the best that I've gotten on Amazon so far, and we're going to try it out together. Now, I did a video maybe a couple months ago, maybe a year ago, honestly, reviewing this flat iron and telling you guys how I love it for my natural hair, and I get a really good flat iron, and you guys let me know that you wanted to see it in action. So that is what we're going to do today. So this is the Babyliss Pro flat iron. They do have several different hot tools on Amazon, which is where I bought this, but this one specifically is the one that has worked so great for me. Now, I have not tried the other ones, but this is the one that I want to show you guys, and it'll be linked in the description to this on Amazon so you can get the exact one that I'm talking about. Here is what the flat iron looks like. I'm going to show it to you and tell you a few details, and then we're going to try it out. First of all, it looks really pleasing to the eye, in my opinion. Like, this is giving luxury, okay? Some things that I love about it is that it has a temperature gauge, the exact temperature, so that you can know how much heat you're actually using on the hair. I use this a lot for my wigs, and a lot of wigs have a specific temperature that you can go up to. So the fact that this has it labeled on the flat iron is really helpful. So here's where the temperature gauge is. It goes from 300 to 465 degrees. You have an on and off button and a plus and minus button to adjust the temperature. This is in the size 1 1/4. They do have several different sizes. I saw a mini travel size, a 1 inch, but I decided to get the bigger size because my natural hair is past shoulder length and I didn't want to go too small because of that. I told you guys we are going to try this out today. I'm not going to use it on my natural hair because it is braided up, but I do plan to do that in a separate video, so make sure you look out for that soon. But today we're actually going to use it on this human hair wig that is a light yaki texture that I got on Amazon as well. So if you guys missed a review on this human hair wig, I absolutely love it. I go over its details, the pros and cons, and its construction in an entire wig review. So I will link that in the description of this video. I've already flat ironed my hair with this flat iron, and as you can see, it looks really good. We did it from start to finish, from wash to blow dry to flat iron. So now I'm just going to flat iron and let you guys see how it works. Now I'm only using it on the lowest setting, you guys, 300 degrees, which I think is really great for me to get such a good flat iron with it on the lowest temperature. So I'm going to do a little bit of styling, and then I'm going to come back and talk to you guys about the pros and cons of this flat iron. So let me do that and I'll let you guys watch. The links to all the products that I'm going to be using on Amazon will be in the description if you guys are interested. All right, you guys, I'm done styling. Let's get into the pros and cons of this flat iron. So my first pro is that I love that I can get a good flat iron on a low heat. Like I already told you guys, I usually don't go up to the highest setting. I try to keep it between low and medium, especially if I'm using it on my natural hair. So I love that I can still get a good heat source on a lower setting. Another pro is that I feel like this flat iron is pretty quality. I bought it last year and it's still been working well. I haven't had any issues so far, so of course that is something that I love. Now let's go ahead and get into the cons. So for the cons, I don't have like a major con that I would suggest would be something to be weary of, but what I will say is when I first tried this, I did put it on a higher setting and it was very much hot. Okay, that's not a bad thing. It is a flat iron, you do want it to get hot, but I would say be careful with the temperature and really work your way up and see what temperature works best for you, whether you're styling your wigs or your natural hair. With me not really having any cons for this product, I would probably rate it a 10 out of 10. I really don't have anything negative to say about it, and I really enjoyed using it. This is one of the flat irons that I know I'm gonna get a really good straighten from, and it's just been really consistent in providing that nice flat iron in a fraction of the time as opposed to some of the other flat irons that I've tried in the past. So you guys, that is my full review on the Babyliss Pro flat iron in the 1 1/4 inch. This is the Nano titanium one, and like I said, they have several different others. So the link to the direct one that I got on Amazon, this one that I'm holding in my hands, will be in the description of the video. And I do hope to show you guys how I flat iron my natural hair with this, especially in the cooler months, which is usually when I go in and get my silk presses done. So without further ado, you guys, I hope you guys have a great day. Thank y'all for watching. I so appreciate it. And this is your time to sound off in the comments. Let me know what you think about the flat iron. Did it do a good job? Is it a yes? Is it a no? I'd love to hear from you guys. I love you guys so much. I hope you have a great day and rest of your week, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.